sure guys, we're still back with speaker now sikutephe Ntulala so le designer la. So mfethu awintroduce la kubabukeli bethu ubani u represent ID brand.
Greetings to everyone. Igama lami nguSanelo Kamkhize. I'm the creative director and founder of Easy Restaurant and Luxury Streetwear, which is a brand engiyigqokile namhlanje, and we country alone inspiration the country soul basically umhlabathi wase-South Africa. Izinto zenzayo for instance lento engiyitholela ngemuva kuyisikhwama representa uRondaville, which is now wakhiwa ngabo ubumba, which is wona umhlabathi lo wenza umangala.
So more prepare maybe for itephe Ntulala mozwenza outfit ecrick njengaleyo mhlawumbe uthatha isikhathi esinganani?
Kuyenzeka ukuthi uthatha isikhathi eside, kuyenzeka ukuthi uthatha isikhathi esingani yabo.
So specifically asikhulume ngale outfit namhlanje le egqoko wena uthatha isikhathi esinganani?
So the outfit it's like 5 days actually.
Yo, yasetshenzwa. Usibuya ngathi umsebenzi omkhulu moyibhekile ngathi
mhlawumbe 5 days ebusuku nasemini. So basically 10 days ngala.
So mangaba model mhlawumbe uzoshowcase nawo la kutephe Ntulala this year.
Bese ngigqokele mina ngihlanga na model, so bengijwayele ukufika nama model but kulo nyaka ngithenje ake ngigqokise mina ngibone ukuthi
maybe for abantu abama designer especially lawa asafufusa mhlawumbe kunzima kangakanani ukuzoshowcase kutephe Ntulala mhlawumbe yini akumele beyenze mhlawumbe?
into yokuqala nje engingayosho ukuzazi ukuthi ufunani, because la kune pressure eningi, kunama celebrate, kunabantu abazokunaka ngayo yonke into, so ukuyithemba nokuthemba umsebenzi wakho ukuthi ngizorepresenta ngale ndlela okuyiyona, and umsebenzi wami u-creative and u-loud ngale ndlela le oyiyona.
Asho mfethu inswempe into yakho yabo le yakho mokhuluma ngo-loud hayi loud mfethu yabona uzotrenda namhlanje South Africa ngiyakuthembisa lokho uzobutrenda ku-TikTok uzobutrenda yonke indawo because outfit yakho swempe creative and I think wena umuntu oqalisa ngibona ngathi uyilandelela i-team ngempela kuyabonakala la kuwena, so all the best mfethu.
Siyabonga nami.
Okay, danke mfethu. Akhona ama-socials mhlawumbe siyathola
kona ama-socials ku-Instagram u0tolerance_SA, TikTok u0tolerance031 and then ku-Facebook u0tolerance Mkhize Khabazela Ugcwaba.
Hayi danke.